Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of TD 101. In this episode, you will be shown how to draw a triangle given the length of the base line, the altitude, and the size of one of the angles. Stay tuned. Okay, so the measurements that we are given today are as follows. We have the baseline, which is line AB, 60 millimeters. Then we have the angle at B, 60 degrees. Then we have the altitude, which will be 80 millimeters. So let's begin. As usual, it is always advised to draw our baseline. And after drawing my baseline, I'm going to put a point A on that baseline. Then I'll measure from A to B, and the measurement will be 60 millimeters. I can go ahead and brighten that line. So I have AB out of the way. We now need to construct a 60-degree angle at point B. Angle ABC is 60 degrees. So we already should know how to construct a 60-degree angle, and as usual, I normally direct you to the previous videos that relates to the topic of constructing a 60-degree angle at a given point. And the second arc that is cutting the first arc is placed over the left due to the fact that the 60-degree angle will open to the left. So where the two arcs intersect will be the point that the line should pass through. So this line is 60 degrees from AB, but we don't know the length of BC. But what we are given is the altitude, and the altitude is the vertical distance between the baseline and the apex of the triangle. The apex is the uppermost point on the triangle, which would be AC. Now, in order to get that vertical distance, we have to create a parallel line to AB. If you don't know how to create a parallel line, I'll place the video in the description how to do that. Now, the distance between the baseline and the parallel line that we want, which is the altitude, is 80 millimeters. So I'm going to open my compass to 80 millimeters. So it's the same process as constructing a parallel line. So at any point, any 2 points on the line, I'm going to place my compass. I can use A If I want, I don't have to. So I'm swinging an arc. I think in the previous lesson when I taught you guys how to draw a parallel line, I used 3 points. You can use 2. Let's go ahead and use 3. So any 3 points on the line, I've used point A, point B, and another random point on the line. It doesn't matter which points you use, you can use 3 random points. And you will be given 3 arcs. So for these 3 arcs, you're going to take your instrument, whether your T-square or your set square. The T-square just proves that the lines the line will be parallel to line AB, and you're going to draw another construction line. And wherever that construction line cuts the line that was brought up initially, the 60-degree line, so wherever the construction line cuts the 60-degree line, if the line was drawn too short, you have to extend it to meet it. That's the point where C will be. So C is cutting the line. This line is cutting the line that is parallel to AB, which is this line that we just drew. So this is now your point C, and you now can go ahead and brighten AC and AB, or BC rather. So we have here a triangle that AB is 60. The angle at B, which is angle ABC, is 60 degrees. And the altitude, which is the vertical distance between AB and C, between the base and the apex, is 80 millimeters. Now, this is the distance that I'm talking about. And if you put your compass, or your set square rather, on the baseline and measure a vertical distance, you'll get 80 millimeters. This is not a vertical distance. This is not a vertical distance. This is the vertical distance, as the set square is placed vertically. So that is the altitude, or normally referred to as the height of the triangle. Now I hope this lesson was very informative, and I hope you grasped the concept that was taught. Please like and subscribe and share the knowledge. Have a good day.